How to password protect secondary blog on Tumblr. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can password protect a secondary blog on Tumblr. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to tumblr.com and make sure to log in into your account. So once you're on your dashboard, head towards the left hand side. There is this account option. All you have to do is click on it. Now under account, you have to scroll down to the blocks, and under blocks, look for the secondary block where you want to add the password, and then select your secondary block. Click on it. After that, head towards your right hand side and click on block settings. So once you land on this settings page, if you scroll down a bit, there you will find an option or section that says password. You have to enable this toggle for password protection. Now you have to add your password. Enter a strong password and press enter in your keyboard to save. Now your secondary block is protected with a password, and the visitor must enter the password before accessing your blog. So that's the way to protect your secondary block using a password. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.